Railways are the lifelines of modern transportation. But maintaining thousands of kilometers of tracks is no small feat. That's where the cutting edge RailScan multifunction robot steps in, your all in one railway guardian. The RailScan is a multifunction robotic system designed to inspect, monitor, and maintain railway infrastructure. Powered by AI driven sensors and high precision tools, it's the ultimate solution to keep our tracks in top condition. Why is it called multifunction? Let's break it down. Track inspection. Using advanced LiDAR, ultrasonic sensors, and cameras, the RailScan detects cracks, wear, and alignment issues with pinpoint accuracy. Track cleaning. Dirt, debris, and vegetation? No problem. The RailScan's integrated cleaning module clears tracks for uninterrupted operations. Maintenance and repairs. From tightening bolts to welding small cracks, this robot doesn't just identify problems, it fixes them too. Data collection. Equipped with real-time analytics, the RailScan collects and transmits data for preventive maintenance, saving time and resources. The RailScan isn't just a robot, it's a game changer. With its ability to work 24/7 in any weather, it reduces maintenance costs by up to 30% while increasing safety and reliability for millions of passengers. Plus, its automation minimizes the need for dangerous manual inspections, keeping workers safer. From high-speed bullet trains in Japan to freight routes in Europe, RailScan is already proving its worth. Rail operators across the globe are integrating this tech into their infrastructure to stay ahead of the curve. As railways evolve, innovations like the RailScan multifunction robot will play a vital role in ensuring efficient and sustainable transportation systems. It's the perfect example of how technology can improve everyday infrastructure. RailScan is setting new standards for railway maintenance, smarter, safer, and more reliable. What do you think about this groundbreaking technology? Share your thoughts in the comments below.